Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Electrum wallet for safer UTXO management, detailed guide step by step clearly. To update your Electrum wallet, first, open the current version of your Electrum application. Check your wallet balance and make a note of any important information. Next, navigate to the Electrum official website. Download the latest version of the Electrum wallet suitable for your operating system. Once the download completes, locate the downloaded file on your device. Double-click the file to begin the installation process. Follow the prompts to install the updated version of Electrum. After installation, launch the new version of Electrum. You may be prompted to import your existing wallet. If so, choose the option to restore or import your wallet. Select your wallet file or enter your seed phrase as necessary. After importing, verify that all your wallet details have been correctly displayed. Pay attention to your UTXO management settings. Review the transaction history to ensure all previous transactions are accounted for. If you need to manage UTXOs manually, go to the Tools menu. Select the option for coins to view your UTXOs. Analyze your UTXO outputs to optimize future transactions. Consider consolidating smaller UTXOs to save on transaction fees. Or, alternatively, spend a few smaller UTXOs to improve your privacy. Ensure you keep your wallet funded for future transactions. Stay informed about any new features or security updates in the release notes. Regularly back up your wallet after making significant changes. Keep your Electrum wallet software updated to maintain optimal security. Always follow best practices for safeguarding your private keys. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.